Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2007 Honda Civic Hybrid. Okay, so we have a problem with the brake light switch. All right, so let me show you what happened with this kind of cord. Okay, the brake light switch is this one right here. Okay, so look, that value right here, brake switch off. When I put my foot in the pedal, we need to see if the brake switch is changed the value to on and off. All right, so look, my foot and the value, brake on, and it's not good, you see. And when you have the issue, you can't change the shifter. Okay, it's stuck in parking right there. Okay, so we're going to try it again. If we can see the value to turn it on and off. Look right there. Okay, on. Yeah, so the issue is in the brake pedal, but I want to show you what happened. Look, it's off. Now it's not turning on. Right there, did you see? On. My foot is in the brake pedal. Now it's off. On, off, on, off. But now it's not working again. Did you see? Okay, so we need to replace that sensor. This is the brake pedal switch. Okay, so just remove to turn to the left, and it's very easy, very quickly. Look, turn to the left and disconnect that connector right here, and that's all, guys. You can get the part on AutoZone, and it's very cheaper. Look, this is the brake pedal switch. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye bye.